開人送嘅係咪？打到！高啲！入少少。阿漢啊，漢。阿坡啊，坡，我移呢度。要冇張紙得啦，你冇張紙。你有架機啊？架機兩百喎。再少少。落啊！等先，你左邊右邊啊？你要睇深嗰啲，睇嗰個呢度前後。OK， 等下，等一陣啊！阿不啦，你應該喺邊嚟嗰度睇。阿靚咧，你嗰度睇下啱冇？我。车子在旁边的。要走出去。
So if you're just joining us now on this live broadcast feed, you've seen the difficulties we've had with the Wi-Fi today as well as the mobile phone network. So if you guys could please put in a good word to Maxis for us to help us get cell phone signal in this area, it would be much appreciated. But in the meantime, what we have over here is a 9-foot Manjushri Nagarakshasa statue. It's the first of 3 unique statues, unique deities that will be invited to Kechara Forest Retreat over this year. It has just been invited onto the cement and stone platform that has been constructed for him. So yeah, this is a 9-foot Manjushri Nagarakshasa statue, and the stone platform and the stone grotto was inspired by Rinpoche's travels in the United States. Rinpoche likes the idea because since it's an outdoor statue, it looks more natural and fitting to the environment. and also it's fireproof, fire safe, so that if people want to make a lot of candle offerings to Manjushri to create the causes for wisdom, they can do so without the fear that if let's say the wind blows over one of the candles or knocks over the candle, that it will cause a fire. So everything is, a lot of thought has been put into everything, including the creation of the platform. Now what you're seeing is the people who have been involved with this project. They are making offerings of biscuits and cookies, and making offerings of milk, as well as sang, which is an incense offering. And this was advised to us by Rinpoche to officially welcome Manjushri Nagarakshasa to Kechara Forest Retreat. So I mentioned earlier in one of the previous broadcasts that we will be inviting 2 more statues here this year, and if you would like to get involved, maybe make a donation, or if you would like to find out when the statues will arrive so that you can volunteer your time and your effort to help prepare the statue, please do leave us a message on the Tsem Rinpoche Facebook fan page or on the Kechara Facebook fan page. Either one is fine. You can leave us a message on either page to get more information. People are now queuing up to make offerings of flowers, flower garlands and candles to Manjushri. A lot of the people that you see here in this video have been here since 9 AM this morning. It is now 5:30 in the evening, so they've been here for nearly a full day already, making sure that everything goes well and goes smoothly. Earlier in the morning, they were wiping down and washing down the statue, and also applying wax to polish the statue. And another group were preparing the mantras and the holy items to be inserted into the statue, and so that it's consecrated. And after a little bit of obstacle sealing, the statue was finally done. And we're back! Yay! Okay, so what you see over here is people queuing up to make candle offerings to Manjushri Nagarakshasa, and some of the people have been here since this morning, cleaning, preparing, washing down the statue, polishing the statue, and the final discussion was regarding how to move the statue into place without damaging it, because it would be a really big waste of everyone's efforts, everyone's hard work, traveling back and forth to the statue makers to make sure it's done correctly. If anything were to be damaged at the last minute. So the crane operators and Paul and everyone from Kechara Paradise did a very good job to make sure that everything went well, went smoothly. So here what you see now is the first Manjushri Nagarakshasa outdoor statue on the land. Again, we will be having 2 more unusual statues arriving throughout the year. So if you would like to get involved, please leave a message on the Kechara Facebook fan page or Tsem Rinpoche's Facebook fan page. Some of the people that you see here wearing red shirts, they were actually meant to join a Kechara Soup Kitchen round this evening, and they're still going. It's just that they came up for the morning and the afternoon to join the monthly Dogi Shukden Puja, and then they were supposed to go straight back down to KL after that to join the round, but they postponed it so that they're going back down in the evening. They postponed their return back down to KL. Thank you, Wai, for giving us a better view. of the Manjushri Nagarakshasa statue. So there's a little bit more work to be done on the platform to finish it off, but pretty soon he will be ready to receive visitors and guests who wish to come here to pay their respects to him. Just to recap for the people who are just joining us, as this powerful emanation of Manjushri arrives at Kechara Forest Retreat today, we should rejoice as this form is extremely ferocious and protects our land and ourselves from interferences, spirits, nagas, magic, and blesses our karma to promote powerful healing in our bodies. He is also excellent to violently, out of compassion, bring more peace and healing energy to the area where he is abiding in order to tame the diseases of the body and the mind. All beings visiting and living in Kechara Forest Retreat are blessed daily. Manjushri has so many beneficial forms, and this is another one of them. We welcome this form of Manjushri to Kechara Forest Retreat. One may recite his short mantra to invoke his powerful healing and wisdom energies. Om He Lam Hong. So if you go to Tsem Rinpoche's Facebook fan page, you will see this description of Manjushri Nagarakshasa available for you to revisit later. At the moment, everybody now is gathering to recite dedication prayers to seal the merits that were accumulated by the Dharma work that was done here today. Again, we apologize for the technical difficulties with the live streaming today, but we hope that whatever you were able to see and listen to, you have enjoyed. And the group here will be starting dedication prayers shortly, as soon as the last few people have made their offerings.
I need volunteers here this coming Wednesday to Friday. We're going to do landscaping here. So if you like to do landscaping, please let me know. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Morning, 8 a.m. Around, I think 9 a.m. 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Thank you everyone for joining us for the live broadcast today. If you were not able to hear what JP said at the end, he made an announcement, which is that if you would like to volunteer to do landscaping around Manjushri Nagarakshasa this Wednesday, Thursday or Friday from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m, please let him know. The landscaping will be done as an offering, an act of offering to Manjushri Nagarakshasa. So if you would like to volunteer on Wednesday, Thursday or Friday, or all 3 days for that matter, from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m, please do get in touch with JP. Once again, thank you very much for joining us for this live broadcast, and apologies again for any of the technical difficulties you may have experienced. We will be pretty soon releasing a blog post about Manjushri Nagarakshasa so that you can relive this auspicious and historic occasion with us. Thank you again everyone, and we hope to see you soon. Goodbye.